Let us see how you can request payment on WhatsApp during a bot flow. The option exists in the send message block. Here you have the option of a payment message. If you have a order details template, you can also use the template option. Please note, template creates a new conversation and might be built separately. So it is best to use the session message if the user is in the session. Click on the payment message option. You can fill the body, have an optional footer text, enter the product name, price, quantity. You can have multiple products as well. Now select the gateway. Please remember, if you have a payment link gateway like PhonePay, which is not using WhatsApp native payments ecosystem, it doesn't work in iOS yet. So for now, I'm selecting the Razorpay gateway. Enter your currency, select or decide when the payment link expires, select your tax configuration and shipping charges, discount type, and save message. So using this block, you'll send a payment request message to the user. Once the user pays for it, you'll have to create a separate bot with the trigger as payment success and payment failed. Thank you.